how to use or how to carry out valuation of a business using the discounted cash flow method. So please remember, as we discussed little while ago, for discounted cash flow method, there can be two kinds of situation. Situation number one, there is a company which has got a finite life. And situation number two, there is a company which has got infinite life. So in case if we have to do the evaluation of a company which has got a finite life, then doing the evaluation using the discounted cash flow model is very easy. And why it is very easy? What we have to do, we need to find out the cash flow for all the years. For all the years. Let's say, for example, if the life of the company is supposed to be 10 years, we will find out the cash flow for the 10 years and discount those cash flows with the respective cost of capital. And in case if this company is going to get some money from the sale of the assets at the end of the tenure, that is 10th year, then that cash flow will come here as PN, and this PN also we will discount by the discount factor for the 10th year. So this is how we will calculate present value of cash flow in case of a company which has got a finite life. And you can see and notice that calculating the present value of a company with finite life is not much of a problem. आपको खाली जो लाइफ है उसके लिए उतना कैश फ्लो आपको प्रोजेक्ट करना है, और वो कैश फ्लो को जो भी आपकी कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल है उससे डिस्काउंट करना है. अगर साल के एंड में, टेन्योर के एंड में, अगर आप एसेट्स को बेच के और वर्किंग कैपिटल जो इन्वेंट्री वगैरह उसको बेच के कुछ पैसा इकट्ठा कर पाते हैं, तो वो भी आप कैश फ्लो आपकी कैश फ्लो में ऐड कर देंगे एट द एंड ऑफ nth ईयर एंड डिस्काउंट दैट कैश फ्लो एज वेल. और ये सारे कैश फ्लोज की प्रेजेंट वैल्यू जो आपने यहाँ कैलकुलेट करी हैं, इनको आप एड अप करेंगे एंड वो जो टोटल आएगा, दैट टोटल इज योर business of that value. So that is how when a business has a finite life, valuation is not much of a problem. Then where is the problem? Problem is in case of a business which has got infinite life. Problem is in case of a business which has got a infinite life. Meaning what? Meaning कंपनी की जो लाइफ है इन्फिनाइट है, और हम सभी को मालूम है बाय एक्सपीरियंस कि दुनिया की सारी कंपनियां जितनी भी हैं वो बंद हो जाए बीच में, यह बात अलग है, लेकिन जब उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं तो और किसी भी समय पे उम्मीद यही होती है कि ये कंपनी सालों साल इन्फिनिटी तक काम करेगी. तो अब सवाल ये है कि अगर कोई कंपनी की लाइफ इनफिनाइट है तो उस कंपनी का उस कंपनी का कैश फ्लो कैसे प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे? हाउ कैन वी project cash flow for a company which has got an infinite life, because it is not going to end. Even if a company was to have a life of 1000 years, we can do the cash flow projections for 1000 years. But if it has got an infinite life, how do we do it? And friends, that is where we have this model which is known as two-stage discounting model. So we have this two-stage discounting model of discounted cash flow method. Now let's understand what is this discounted cash flow method.